Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a sequence with the right frame rate and resolution so captions align with video motion. Once your footage is imported, bring in an SRT if you have one. It saves time and preserves timing. If not, create a new caption track via File New Captions. Make sure to open the text or captions workspace so you can see caption blocks and the timeline simultaneously. This lets you edit while previewing timing and visual placement. Now you perform the detailed edits. Select the caption clip on the timeline and work inside the Captions panel. You adjust timing by dragging the caption edges or trimming with ripple tools so each caption matches speech natural pauses. Once done, edit the text directly, fix punctuation, line breaks, and speaker labels for clarity. Make sure to preview at full volume and watch lip sync. This ensures readability and prevents captions from appearing too brief. Finish by styling and exporting. Use Essential Graphics or the Captions panel to set font size, color, and background opacity, so text remains legible over footage. Once satisfied, export captions as embedded, sidecar SRT, or burn them into video via export settings depending on delivery needs. If you notice timing drift after export, reopen the project and use rate stretch or add markers and align captions to the audio waveform. This straightforward fix restores sync without retyping everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.